Alright guys, good evening. Alright, so quick one. If you want to become a successful video ad creator, either with your smartphone or your laptop, please make sure you avoid the three things that I'm about to mention now. Make sure you avoid these three things that I'm about to mention now. Number one, speed. Number two, money. And number three, people. Avoid these three things. Number one, speed. Number two, money. And number one, people. Avoid focusing on these three things. Avoid focusing on these three things. When you focus on these three things, you will discover that after the long run, you have not really added value to yourself. You have not really added value to yourself. Because when these three things begin to push you, you now begin to go off track. So let us go in more detail. Number one, speed. The biggest mistake you'll be making as an entrepreneur, widely as an entrepreneur and detailedly as a video creator or video editor, is when you now begin to determine your growth by speed. This is the mistake we make, or these are the mistakes we make. We think growth is speed. No, growth is not speed. Growth is movement. Growth is movement. Now, the rate at which you move is dependent on how well you are good on that particular thing. The rate at which you move is dependent on the kind of knowledge you have for that particular thing. Now, you are just starting up. You don't have anything in your head and you are focusing on speed. Now, it is not a bad thing if you grow fast, but let it not become your focus. Your focus should be you making sure that you move up daily. You making sure that you grow daily. Leave speed alone. Speed will come as a result of consistency. Speed will come as a result of consistency. Just focus on growing daily. Focus on growing daily. A step by step, by step, by step. Before you start taking 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, you have to start from 1. So that is that about speed. Number 2, money. This is the biggest mistake I see newcomers who are just coming into the video creation world make. So they just come and then the first thing is, I want to learn how to make money from video creation. Note, it is not bad. Yes, I'm making money from video creation, but I did not start out by making money. I did not start out by making money because it is the best known product that sells well, not the best product. So you have to push and try and make sure that you are known so that you can now make money from video ad creation. So how can you do this? Is by helping or volunteering to help make videos for some certain kind of persons for free. Volunteer to make videos for some certain kind of persons for free. Leave money aside. Leave money aside. And let me tell you what you can do with free videos. I know you think when you do free videos, it is a waste. No, it is not a waste. Now, when you do free videos, make sure you get it for an exchange of a testimonial. Now, note, I didn't say do free videos for everybody. I said do free videos for some certain kind of persons. It is limited, it is not for everybody. So do free videos for some certain kind of persons, because when you do this for everybody, people would love to take advantage of you. So do free videos for certain kind of persons and then do it in an exchange for testimonials. Now, when you have gathered a whole lot of testimonials, use it to make noise and see if people will not buy. So this is actually a process. When you start this way, you are going to end up in a good way. Now, number 3, I mentioned people. The big mistake I see upcoming video ad creator make, even as on the smartphone or laptop, which is PC, is that when you come online, you now begin to compare yourself with somebody that has been there before you. So because you came online and then you paid for a 10K course, you now start comparing yourself with somebody who has been there, somebody who has grown up over time. So you that just came in, you are now looking at Makin Kalu and you are now saying, how I wish I can beat him. I laugh. You're not looking at guys and you're saying, how I wish I can beat him. How I wish I can grow to his point. Now, it is not a bad thing, but make sure that the only way you can do this is not with competition. Make sure the only way you should do this should not be by competition. Make sure the only way you should do this should not be by competition, but by collaboration. Take collaboration over competition. Take collaboration over competition. Instead of you to envy, place your head down to learn. Don't envy, learn. Don't envy. Replace enviness with learning. Replace enviness with gaining knowledge. Replace enviness with gaining knowledge. Instead of you to envy, bow your head and learn. Collaborate. So these are the 3 things that you should avoid as a startup in video ads creation. These are the 3 things you must avoid. Even if you are not a startup, even if you are already in the niche of video ad creation, make sure you avoid these 3 things that I've just mentioned if you want to grow well. Let me recap. Number 1, don't focus on speed, focus on movement. Don't focus on speed, focus on movement. Number 2, don't focus on money. Don't focus on money, focus on growth. Don't focus on money, focus on growth. Number 3, don't focus on people, focus on collaboration. Don't envy, learn. Don't envy, gain knowledge. Don't focus on people. Don't envy people. Rather, collaborate with them, learn from them, learn with them, and over time, see yourself become a success in the video world. My name is Markin Kalu, and I'm the video god, and I say bye for now. If you want to connect with me, you can simply type bit.ly/MarkKingKalu, all in small letters. All right, guys, see you in the next podcast.